My name is Ghassan Friwat. Here I am with the graduation of M.Phil. Now I'm in the sort of midway with my PhD, doctorate, and hoping to conclude that within the coming couple of years, or a little bit less than 2 years. I'm Palestinian. I've been in the Gulf for the past, I would say, like 4 or 8 years. My career path is basically in international, multinational companies in air conditioning. The past 5 years, I was a CEO of a company in Bahrain. I had around 1,200 employees whom I was responsible, taking care of. Currently, I'm working as an advisory consultant for a group of companies in Bahrain as well. And humbly speaking, I'm an author of 2 books. I published 2 books back in 2003 and 2004, one of which was 500 pages, and the second was a novel, couple of 100 pages. And thinking of starting my 3rd book, but obviously after completing my PhD. As for tonight, I'm really, I would say, overwhelmed with what I've seen. I did not expect, I'll be very open, bold, I did not expect this type of organized ceremony and the whole celebration, commencement, and I'm really happy about it, which made me definitely feeling that I'm on the right track with UCAM and obviously with Exceed to that extent to continue my doctorate program. Thank you very much, and glad to have this opportunity to share my thoughts with you. Thank you.